Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Mubarak, dearest people. So, I wanted to post this beauty from so long, but my middle name is procrastination and it's killing me. But we are here today. So, first I thought it's going to be a black abstract art, but then I shifted to making it more towards the gray and the white ones. I'm using a high quality oval canvas that I got from local crafts shop here, and I took a white brush and just dipped it in both the shades to create a very abstract strokes of both of them. For abstract art, you are basically just having fun and you just have to trust the process and keep building the whole thing until you find it satisfactory enough for your idea in the mind. My inspiration for this piece was Pinterest, of course, but I used an oval canvas instead of the rectangular one that I found. So here's a shift of artists that happened after enough fight, and the rest was completed by the other artist, in turn Eka, my sister. So I'm just completing everything off, adding enough bits of white and gray. And then I just wanted to have an etched gold kind of look, so I tapped some gold acrylic paint on it with texture, and this was the first layer. And then comes the 24 karat gold leaf, and I kid you not, this was the first time I was using this beautiful heavenly material, and I literally ruined it quite masterfully. Too much glue is wrong, and then placing the whole gold leaf on the glue without seeing it where I want it, and it's just so wrong. This was an entire mess, and we three experts were trying to find a way to fix it. And this thin gold sheet is very sticky and it just sticks onto the glue very fast. But to fix it, I had to remove the whole thing, and this is the other artist tapping into it, trying their best to fix it, but we know we have messed it up. So I just removed everything and then started placing everything on bit by bit. And here I have just added the last dripping layer of gold glitter using wood glue and powdered glitter. And this is it, my first abstract 24 karat gold leaf infused marble affected piece of perfection. I only love them this much, but if you do it too, you can buy it from Two Sisters with Paint on Instagram. And that is just it. Remember, me and your